1 minute. Sound is coming. Any doubt? Anyone is having any doubt? We'll start our class. See, last day I explained while loop. Today I will explain for loop. What is our topic outcomes and topic learning outcomes and course outcomes? Our for loop and while loop both will be how equal and how the outputs we are getting as in for loop and a while loop we will check it today. How many members are not getting in mobile? Some students that day they shown in mobile also you are getting the output. Many students they have shown me. Oh, is it? Okay. I thought in mobile there. Not in build ID. Okay. In build ID we will not get in our mobile. Achha. I didn't try in mobile. I am doing in laptop so that maybe they didn't give it. But all are telling. Is it okay? Okay. In mobile we cannot solve. Oh. Then you work on Python the mobile, but if it is not working, I cannot do anything in mobile. If it is not working, I cannot solve that issue. I will give 1 point to management. Yes, I will give 1 point to management. Ramu sir, I will talk with him. After that, I will tell you what is the solution. I thought build IT you did off in mobile. Till now, I didn't know कि mobile you are using another app. Okay, okay. Friday, Saturday, I saw mobile you are operating, so that I thought ki in build IT you are operating and you are using coding for Python. Okay, I will discuss it. Thank you for giving me this information. I will discuss it and I will tell you the solution. Tomorrow I will tell you. Just remind me. After class, just remind me. I will talk with him. Okay, let's start our class. Okay, today I will explain you Python, what is our for loop and while loop, and what is our topic learning outcomes and course outcomes. We will see how we are executing our for loop and while loop. See, I told you what is iteration. Iteration means this inside loop. How inside loop? Iteration means executing in same block of codes many times over and over. And a program structure that implements in iteration, it is calling loop. Means inside loop, the program is executing many times. In programming, there are two different types of iteration, definite and indefinite. There are three types of loops are there: while loop, for loop and nested loop. While loop means it repeats a statement or group of statements while a given condition is true. while a given condition is true. It tests the condition before executing the loop body. For loop means execute the sequence of statements multiple times and abbreviates the code of manages the loop variables. Here, if in while loop, if the condition is true, then it will go to next statement. But in for loop, it executes the sequence of statements in multiple times, and code will manage the loop variable. How the loop variable, it will depend and it will execute. Nested loop means one loop will be execute multiple times. Okay, in loop control statements changes execution from its normal sequence. When execution leaves a scope, all automatic objects that were created in the scope are destroyed. Python supports the control statements of while loop and for loop. While loop means while loop is somewhat similar to if condition. In if condition, what is this? If the condition is true, then it will go to print statement. Else, it will go to false